In this Google Sheet, we are seeing many rows or many columns of data is there. And let's check carefully on column C. In column C, some of the data it has asterisk, like this is a star, this is asterisk, and some others is there. So we want to filter only those data set where there is asterisk. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to location or cell where we want to filter those data. So we can filter the data here. For example, I want to filter data in this location based on this data set. Now what we need to do, we need to write a function over here. I'm going to write that function. It's very simple and easy. I will explain on by like bit by bit. Okay, so here we just need to type equal, then we have to type f il. Then if I start typing this thing, Google Sheet will suggest us to add the filter like this. I'm going to click here to complete the filter function, and then it starts with parentheses. Now I want to see data from group column A to column E. So here we need to type column A to, and from this location, right, A2. So I'm going to type A2 comma, and I'm going to keep data till column E, and I'm not going to put the end location because I want to keep that range open. So once I do this thing, I'm going to put a comma again, and then I have to use the condition. So condition, I'm going to use regular expression. So I'm going to type a reg, and it will show us the relevant regular expression type of function is there. So I'm going to choose the first one, which is reg x match. I'm going to click here, it will be added like that way. Now we need to add the range. So I am applying this filter based on column C. So we have to type C, then the column number. This is C2, right? So I'm going to type C2, and the range should be C, and I'm going to keep open because I want to make this dynamic, and then I'm going to put a comma, and finally we have to type another expression based on which it will match. So we can put a double quote inside it, we can put slash, then star, and then we have to close this quotation, and then we have to close our parentheses. So this is the function. We just need to type here, and now we can hit enter key or return key from our keyboard, and we'll see that all the filtered data will be there. I'm going to press enter or return, and here we see all the data is there. And now here if you expand this question, this is the question, right? If we expand this question, basically we'll see every question there is a asterisk. That's why it is there. So in this way we can easily apply this type of filter in Google Sheet.